CashJolt app pricing explained what you get for your money. CashJolt is a micro-investing and savings app designed to help users invest small amounts effortlessly. Most people think micro-investing apps are expensive or hidden fee-laden, but CashJolt is upfront about costs. The app offers a free basic account with limited round-up investing and savings tracking. Premium plans start at $99 per month, which unlocks automated investing, advanced portfolio insights, and higher round-up limits. If-expense ratios average 0.15% annually, and there are no fees for deposits or withdrawals. For example, at zero investment in a premium plan would cost roughly per year combining subscription and fund fees. CashJolt also offers diversified portfolios, automatic rebalancing, and goal-based investing, making it ideal for beginners who want to grow wealth without constantly monitoring the market. The surprising truth is that small, consistent investments can compound over time, and CashJolt provides the tools to make this effortless while keeping costs predictable and low. In conclusion, CashJolt app pricing is simple, transparent, and designed to help users build wealth gradually. By understanding subscription and fund fees, investors can confidently save and invest without worrying about hidden costs.